This is part 2, the backward slime. And my slime is now pretty much made. And I'm actually proud of myself from backward slime. It's actually fluffy without shaving cream, which is kind of weird. Odd. Why does it feel super weird with this like slimy shirt on? So guys, yeah, you want to wear old clothes.
Because you're going to make backward slime.
And sometimes forward slime. Because a lot of people get slime like all over the place.
Whoa! That almost fell.
Guys, I wish we could make another slime. Like with like 4 minutes. 1 minute slime. That'd be awesome, right, Cadence?
Yeah. Oh, we can't make another batch.
Yeah. Because if you watch part 1, then we said that. Something about that.
So go make sure to watch part 1.
Before you watch this one. Okay, so my slime's completely made. And I really like it. I'm gonna put my bowl up.
So that slime actually works, guys. And this is not clickbait. So
Where's your mom?
I'm not here yet.
Kai, we just made slime backwards.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
Ew, it's sticky. Right.
So I hope y'all guys enjoy this video. Bye.